Emma's waving. No, we're spying on them like they're spying on us. They're friends. They just came.
In its name. It'll be everything.
No, we got no!
I'm going to be making banana muffins for breakfast tomorrow for the kids. Okay, I got my recipe, but I decided to do banana breakfast cookies instead of banana muffins because we have a ton of overripe bananas and I can't really find a good muffin recipe, so I'm going to do cookies instead.
Probably my favorite scene in the whole movie.
What?
What?
How about this one?
Yes!
My parents treat me rough. They won't give me a puff. They didn't want
Ow!
me. Somehow I was had. Even listen.
That's not.
When they're trying to get the gun.
Why isn't it going?
Just wait, Adri.
Go!
Wait. Maria, little boy, yeah. When you're a jet, you're a jet for your London.
I don't know the rest of the words.
There is good. Understand.
Okay, these smell really, really good. When I was first making it, it was really sticky, but I don't know if it's just time or because I've been mixing it every time I use it, but suddenly it's gotten much more doughy, so I can actually shape it into cookies instead of just plopping it on the pan and using a fork to kind of scrape it into a pile.
Then you don't get anything.
Yeah.
You make it so
No, it's way too cold for smoothies.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not.
Way too cold.
We just dropped off our rental car and we had decided to make the 5-mile walk back to the RV park. It's a little bit chillier today, probably about 15 degrees Celsius, which is maybe 50, 55 Fahrenheit. But the wind is a little bit cold. Just the three of us. We got Levi. He's all bundled up. We had a really nice guy stop and offer us a ride, which I politely turned down so that we could walk because we really need some exercise. So here we go.
Found somewhere safe to walk, so that's bonus. And we got sailboats. The
Serena's next crazy dream.
Last batch of breakfast cookies in the oven, and then we will finally be done for the day. I will put the recipe in the description below.
We're halfway. That's where we get to walk now. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind is just blowing the sand along the beach.
Finally back.
We walked all the way from Enterprise.
5.5 miles.
Smells good in here.
At the latest too. Yeah, it's
they got
3:30. An hour and a half after your latest.
It was a little bit further than we thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
And cold.
But we made it.
But we made it.
Some guy offered us a ride.
We said no.
And we're like, no. We want to walk.
Angela! Better. Yay! Now I don't have to wait till we get to Houston to have Ethiopian food. Do we have enough injera? You want some, Jesse? Alright.
We're trying to watch a video.
Plugged. I hate it when you guys say that.
This card.
Often work.
He's an
Yeah, I
insurance
know, but
guy.
it sounds weird.
We started.
Don't put it in mine.
I just know. Now we're starting to eat.
Don't run, Levi's sleeping.
And yeah, but we are eating soup now. We are.